All right, boys and girls, here we are, section 7.2. We're going to spend 2 days on this. So today we're going to talk about multiplying two polynomials. All right, we've talked about what a polynomial is. Today we're going to talk about multiplying them together. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can do these problems. We'll practice all 3 of them. I don't care which one you're good at, which one you do, but you just need to get good at one of them. But we're going to practice all 3 of them. So, you see here we have 2 sets of problems here. These are polynomials being multiplied together. Let's look at this first one. First, I have x plus 2, x plus 5. And I'm going to multiply the 2 together. All right? So, the first method I'm going to show you is called double distribution. We're going to double distribute. All right? So we take this first one and break it into 2 parts. Take the 2 terms excuse me, apart, and we're going to distribute to the second parentheses. So we are taking this and we are distributing to the second parentheses. So we have x times x is x squared. Remember your exponent rules. X times 5 is 5x. Here I have 2 times x. Here I have 2 times 5. And then we have these like terms. So now I have x squared plus 7x plus 10. So, double distribution, we take the first parentheses, break it apart. If this would be a trinomial, we break it into 3 pieces, okay? And then we just do the distribution. All right? We've done plenty of distribution problems just like that. So let's double distribute this. X plus 3x minus 4. All right, so now, again, I'm taking this apart, and I'm going to distribute into the other parentheses. Double distribution. Too much of a glare. Let me check my video. That's a little better. Double distribute. So by now you should have this done. X times x is x squared. Make sure you be careful with your signs here. And then we have like terms in the middle. There will frequently be like terms to be combined. Not always, but very frequently there will be like terms to be combined. And there's our answer. That's it. We're going to get a polynomial answer when we multiply 2 polynomials together. All right, so I told you I was going to show you 2 methods. Any question on this one first? All right, second method. Second method is usually referred to as a table method. So I construct a table. Put one polynomial on top, put the other polynomial down the side. And then you just multiply to fill the table. X times x is x squared. X times 2, 5 times x, 5 times 2. And then, if there's any like terms, you combine them and write your answer in the correct order in standard form. So I have my x squared first. There's no other x squared, so that's done. I've got my 2x terms, and I've got my constant for the final answer. All right? When you're doing this, make them big enough so you can fit answers in there. All right? Put your polynomials down the sides. If one of these would be a trinomial, then you would have 3 rows or 3 columns, however you wanted to do it. All right, so then we'll multiply. X times x, 3x, And again, you're going to combine like terms. There's no other x squareds. Combine the two x terms. And of course, you're getting the same answer. Okay, this is nothing revolutionary. It's just different ways to do the same problem. Any questions on the table method? All right. Do these by distribution, do these by table. I don't care which one you like yet. I want you to practice both methods, all right? So, do these by distribution, do these by table. Questions? Questions? All right. There you go. Now, I told you I was going to teach you three. There's a third way to do this. All right. Third way to do this has an acronym. You may have heard this before. Junior high teacher may have taught it to you. Your parents probably remember this because this is how they were taught. So if you have two binomials you're going to multiply together, you remember the acronym FOIL, which stands for you multiply the first two terms together, you multiply the outer terms together, you multiply the inner terms together, you multiply the last terms together, and you get your answer. Then, combine like terms and simplify. So, it's basically distribution without the rewriting. So I'll show you how it goes. So we have this problem here. So, drawing the lines will help you. Multiply the first term. So that means the first term in each parentheses together. So x times x is x squared. Then I multiply the outer terms together. So that gives me minus 6x. Then I multiply the inner terms together. Then I multiply the last two terms together. Combine like terms. To get the final product. All right? All right. I'm going to do one more of those with you. What's that going to be? What's that going to be? Like I said, I don't care which method you like the best. Get good. Understand them all, but get good at one, all right? Do the top two with FOIL method. Questions? All right. Yep, that's it for today. We'll pick up on the rest of this stuff tomorrow. Good luck. Ask questions. Get to work.